Hey, Motorman here. If you just happen to, by some strange twist of fate, wander onto this video, if you don't know me, I'm a motor officer instructor. I'm the maker of the Ride Like a Pro video, the biggest selling motorcycle video in the world, teaches you the police motor officer techniques. And I want to tell you first that I'm going to be over in Daytona. I'm going to be there on Friday. I'm going to get there probably at maybe 11 a.m. I'll be there till 12:30 or 1 o'clock at the Speedway. If you don't know, by the way, that's Biketoberfest. That's like Bike Week, except just 4 days instead of 10 days. But anyway, I'm going to be there, and you're going to know me because I'll be wearing this shirt. It's got a big Ride Like a Pro on the back. I'll have the Ride Like a Pro hat. And the reason I say you might not recognize me is because in person, I am much taller and thinner than what you see on the video. It's because of the wide angle lens. You always look heavier and shorter. But anyway, if you come up to me and you say, "Hey, Motorman, I'm one of your subscribers. I love you. You're the greatest guy in the world," or anything like that, any kind of brown nose and stuff. I love that. I'm going to give you to the first 3 people who come up to me and say, "Hey, I'd like to be a subscriber," or "I'm already a subscriber," you're going to get a shortcuts video absolutely free. I'm only going to give out 3 of them, so it's only the first 3 people. So don't be mobbing me or anything. I'm not one of the Beatles. Now, the reason I'm making this video, by the way, I want to tell you about custom dynamics. Now, take a look at these taillights on here. These are LEDs, and they light up the brake light, and they turn the signal lights into flashing brake lights as well. Now, I'm going to hit the brake, and you'll see what that looks like. Flashing good? All right. And if you'd step over here, camera girl, I want to show you there's nothing to the install. If you could put in a light bulb, you could install this. This is the module, and it just plugs right into the stock module. I put a little snap tie on there, nothing to it. I'm telling you, anybody could do this. It took me all of maybe 5 minutes or so. And also, I've got them on the Road King. This is the different style because you have the flat lenses on the Road King. Again, they work the same way. And I'm also going to show you what this looks like at night. And here's what they look like at night. Quite bright. Believe me, people are not going to not notice you. I'm going to show you what see if I can get that brake pedal pushed. And that's the flasher. That's the electric glide you're looking at with the bullet turn signals. And here's my Road King with the flat signals. And the turn signal running lights can also be adjusted. So I'm looking at them, they should be about the same brightness as the running brake light. I'm not sure if they're exactly the same, but there's an adjustment that allows you to check that. And since so many more crashes now are rear-end crashes into motorcycles because people aren't paying attention, they're looking at their phones or the GPS, I think it's well worth it to light up that motorcycle. But anyway, this is from Custom Dynamics. They're going to be over at Destination Daytona, so I'm hoping to get over there. So this isn't like really a meet and greet, because if I call it a meet and greet, the Speedway is going to charge me $2,000. So I'll just be walking around with a camera. If you'd like to get on YouTube, that's fine. I'll put you on YouTube. If you just want to say hello, walk up and say hello. Say I'm one of your subscribers. First 3 people are going to get a shortcuts video. So that's Custom Dynamics. And also at the Speedway, Tab Performance is going to be there. That's the mufflers that I have on both of these bikes that everybody says sound so good. And they really do sound terrific. My wife loves them. I love them. They're not too noisy, not too quiet. They're just right. So I'm going to be over at Tab Performance. I'm going to stop by there. And if you want to know where I'm at any particular time, let's say you get over there and you say, "I can't find Motorman," what you do is call the office, our toll-free number, 866-868-7433. That'll be my wife, Donna, who's taking this video. She's going to be answering the phone, and she'll call me up, and I'll tell her exactly where I'm at that moment, and you can walk over and say hello. I'll wait for you. Not too long, but I will wait for you. But mainly, I'm going to be carrying that camera, have all the Ride Like a Pro stuff. You shouldn't have any problem finding me. The last video I did during Bike Week,
There was an ant on my foot, sorry.
There was an ant on your foot?
Biting my leg, yeah, sorry.
Okay. And you wonder why she doesn't get a mic, folks. Anyway, I'm going to be over there. This is just on Friday. They say there's only 25% chance of rain, and it should be nice weather. I think it's going to be about 79, 80 degrees, which is a big break from what we're having. In fact, big break from what we're having today. So Custom Dynamics, they're the ones, if you want to light up your ride, that's the way to go. Plug and play installation, does a great job with so many people now not paying attention as they're driving and they're looking at their phones and they're texting, they're talking, looking at the GPS. So many more rear end collisions are occurring. So anything that gets a driver's attention day or night, it's going to help you. If it saves your life just one time, it's well worth it. So I'll see you in Daytona at Biketoberfest.